Sabi sa Genesis 22 verse 3, early the next morning, Abraham got up. Abraham did not delay. He followed God immediately. Sabi ba, sabi ni Lord, anak, nasan ka? Lord, here I am. At may inutos si Lord sa kanya. Tama po? Sabi niya po, here I am. He replied. Then God said, take your son, only son, Isaac, whom you love, and go to the region of Moriah. Sacrifice himself as a burnt offering on one of the mountains I will tell you about. Sabi, verse 3 po sabi, early the next morning, Abraham got up and saddled his donkey. Abraham got up. Follow me. Follow me. Yung obedience po, hindi lang susunod ako. Hindi lang ganon. Lord, gagawin ko kung ano yung pinapagawa mo. Abraham got up early in the morning. Obedience produced a greater promise. Abraham's obedience produced a greater promise. Your obedience can produce a greater promise. Baka hindi sa'yo, baka sa mga anak mo. Baka hindi sa'yo, baka sa mga disciples. That's why our life has a big impact. Yung mga decisions na gagawin natin, yung response natin kay Lord, kung paano tayo sumagot kay Lord, kung paano tayo mag-follow ng instruction kay Lord, kung paano tayo mag-obey kay Lord, has a great impact.